everyone and welcome. And this video I'm going to walk you through how to cancel a pass in Efootball 2025 mobile. Now, if you're using the in-game menu, this is how to do it. You have to launch the Efootball mobile on your device. So you have to download it first. So let's say you downloaded it. I'm using the Efootball champion squad to give you the example of what I'm talking about. So once you've downloaded it, the next thing you need to do is launch it on your device, start a match. So I want to show you an example. So you can start a match on or resume a previously saved match, then tap the pause button, usually represented by two vertical lines. And once you've paused the button, pause the game, the next thing you're going to do is tap the menu icon, which is usually represented by three horizontal lines to open the in-game menu. Look for the cancel pass or cancel action option and tap on it. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. And don't forget that the exact steps may vary depending on your device and the version of the game you are playing.